Have you ever struggled to create a logo, but didn't want to spend tons of money on a designer from Fiverr or Upwork, or waste time trying to do it yourself? Well, here's the solution. AI has made things a whole lot easier. In fact, it simplified some tasks dramatically, like creating your own logo. Let's see how you can create your own logo. First, search for RapidLogo on any search engine and visit rapidlogo.com. There you will see an interface like this where you can view multiple logo examples. You can enter your brand name, in our case, Galaxy Pen, and click on the blue arrow to proceed. Then, you will see a description section where you can quickly describe your logo category or style. After inputting some description, click on the blue arrow again to proceed. Next, you will be exposed to this interface where you can see multiple logo categories. We're selecting the pictorial logo. Then it asks if we want our brand name with the logo, and we're selecting yes, as we would like to have the brand name included. Then it will ask you for additional information if you'd like to provide it. In our case, we have a very short instruction that you can see. After that, click on Generate Logo. It will generate a logo in less than a minute for us. Also, you can enter your email here, so it will email you the logo it builds based on your inputs. Let's have a look at the result. If you're not satisfied, you can click on Regenerate to recreate the logo, or if you like it, you can just purchase it so you can use it for just $20. Thank you for joining me on this amazing journey today. Until next time, keep innovating.